Welcome back to How To University. Before we get started, like always, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and don't forget to like the video to connect more creatives to the How To University channel. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to create a Twitch banner. So we're going to open up our tool Canva Pro, and what you got to do here is you're going to go to the custom size up at the top right hand side, and you're going to type in 1200 by 480 pixels. Then create new design. Once you're here, it's going to go ahead and format that Twitch banner size that you need to upload. And of course, like always, there's going to be a ton of different templates that are going to pop up. And again, for the sake of the video and to make this as Twitch as possible, we're going to go ahead and drop this in. And here, you're going to customize or upload any of your custom things that represent your brand, or maybe even some of the games that you enjoy playing. Now remember, when you're customizing your banner, you want to make sure that it's representing your brand, so when people find your channel, they say, okay, cool, this is the type of games, or this is the style that this creator or streamer enjoys. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and do the pixelated backgrounds, and then I'm going to add, so I am a huge Fortnite enthusiast, so we're going to go ahead and grab the Fortnite image, and we're going to head over to edit image. Remember, this is a pro feature, and we're going to do background remover. So we're going to go ahead and remove the background from this image. And because the sizing is already the size that we need, we're just needing to adjust it onto the template here, and the rest will be done with Canva's tools. So we're going to go ahead and actually extend that just a little bit here. We're going to bring the S forward by clicking position up at the top, going forward. And now we're going to find another image, Fortnite image, and we're going to go ahead and add it to the other side. So this is actually my favorite skin, which is the Black Adam skin. We're going to do the same here, edit image, background remover. And then of course we're going to flip that image so it's facing the opposite direction by just a simple click. So once the background remover tool goes and does its thing, it automatically adjusts what we need. We're going to flip that horizontal, bring it over to this other side, drop that here, move the S. I think the S might need to be a little bit bigger, so we'll drop that here and hide that gun that's missing. And then now you have your Twitter banner that represents your brand and makes your channel look a lot more professional. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.